In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Distrokid to Spotify. By the end, you'll know exactly where to enter your Spotify artist information inside Distrokid so your music lands on the correct profile. Start by opening Distrokid and signing into your account. From your dashboard, head to the My Music area and choose the Upload Music option. This opens the new release form, which is where the Spotify connection happens as part of setting up your release. On the release form, look for the artist or band name field near the top. Type your artist name exactly as it appears on Spotify. Consistency matters here. Matching punctuation, capitalization, and spacing helps DistroKid recognize the right profile. If your name is shared by other artists, being precise reduces the chance of your release being routed to the wrong page. Next, scroll through the form until you find the Spotify section for artist identification. This is where you link your release to your existing Spotify artist profile. The key item DistroKid asks for is your Spotify artist URI. Think of the URI as Spotify's unique ID for your artist page. Using it is the most reliable way to connect your release. To get the Spotify artist URI, open Spotify and navigate to your artist profile. On desktop, click the three dots on your artist page. If you hold the Option key on Mac or the Alt key on Windows, the Share menu reveals Copy Spotify URI. That string starts with Spotify artist and uniquely identifies your page. On mobile, you can use Share to copy your artist link. If you also have access to the URI, use that. Paste the artist URI into the Spotify field back in DistroKid. While you're here, complete the rest of the release information carefully. Add your track or album title, upload the correct audio file, choose your primary and secondary genres, and attach high-resolution artwork that meets platform guidelines. Fill in contributor details, verify any explicit content flags, and set your planned release date. Accuracy in these fields helps avoid delays and ensures your music is displayed correctly once it goes live. Before you move on, double-check that the artist URI you pasted matches your actual Spotify artist page. A quick look at the name, image, and follower count on Spotify can confirm you've selected the right profile. Getting this right now prevents support headaches later and keeps your catalog in one place. That's it. By entering your Spotify artist URI in the DistroKid release form and completing your release details, you've effectively connected DistroKid to Spotify so your music routes to the correct artist profile.